Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your Bluetooth icon is not showing into your Windows. It's very simple to fix. Just simply come over your start icon, click on the right mouse button, and then you will get an option called settings. If you click on settings, then it will redirect you to this option called Bluetooth and devices. So if you click on that, then it will you just need to click on view more devices. So if you click on that, there will be a quite lot of options, and the main option is we need to go for more Bluetooth settings. If you click on that, then there will be a window pops up and it's called Bluetooth settings. So if we just take it over here like this, and then here you will get an option called show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. So if you check in and click on apply and click OK, and now your Bluetooth icon will be shows into your Windows. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.